How to fix Telegram limit exceeded, please try again later. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can actually fix if Telegram says limit exceeded, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if Telegram actually says limit exceeded, first of all you have to understand why this happens. Whenever you're trying to log into your account repeatedly and you have been spamming the login option, and in that case Telegram will give you limit exceeded. So maybe you're just logging in and logging out and logging in and logging out. That's when this error usually occurs. Now in order to fix it, do not try from the same page over and over again. What Telegram has done here is either they have banned your phone number or either they have banned your IP address. So go to storage and make sure to clear the cache files, and you can also try to clear the storage over here, right? So once you clear the cache files and storage, you can also try to uninstall and reinstall the app. I'd recommend you use a VPN app. Now I'm using a premium subscription of VPNify, or otherwise you can actually go ahead and select any of these servers over here, select auto select and auto connected. Then you can simply try to go ahead and then reopen Telegram and then try to log into your account again this time, and it should definitely give you access to your account, because as I said, Telegram might have banned just your IP address, which is easily fixable if you go ahead and then use a VPN. Now if that doesn't work, I would recommend you wait, or if you don't have the patience to wait, you can download an alternative version of Telegram known as Telegram X. Now this is not a third-party app, by the way. This is also the application from Telegram themselves. So you can see Telegram themselves actually owns the Telegram X app as well, so you can also use Telegram X if this is what you've been looking for yourself. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.